Hey traders, just wanted to jump on here real quick, just to share with you what I was discussing with you on Saturday's training, the bootcamp training, the Forex bootcamp training. I had said that Bitcoin was in a downtrend, okay, and I had placed trend line, which is that red line above that you see here, that anything below um, that trend line, you should place a sell order, right? So I had to be patient. I didn't catch the trade up here. So, about 15, 20, 30 minutes ago, I logged in back into the computer to take a look at Bitcoin because I forgot to put up an alert right here. That's why it's really important to set alerts inside of TradingView. Because had I set an alert for this right here, I could have looked for sells when it actually pierced with this wick. When it actually went up to this area, I could have probably put a sell up here and write it all the way down. But it's okay because what it did was it did break these lows over here, which is telling me that the actual market is trending lower and going down, right? So what I did was I went ahead and placed an order right about this line right here, okay? And the units quantity is about 100, okay? And I set my stop loss above, okay, my order because it's a sell, right? So I'm risking $49,000, $49,443.95 to potentially earn $63,556.56, okay, with 100 in quantity, okay? So as you can see, the trade is actually going in my favor, which is really nice. I'm in profit, $25,000 right now, 25,000 right now, okay? Which is, I wanted to just come on here to let you know that what I teach actually works out. It's important that you adhere to what I teach, and come back often to the channel to see what other videos I post to give you pointers, techniques, strategies to help you with your trading. Okay, trading in itself is not difficult, but if you trade against a trend, you'll find that you get stopped out a lot. You'll find that the trade doesn't go in your favor. But if you haven't watched my Saturday training, okay, go ahead and I'll probably put a link in the description area so you can go ahead and watch that recording and share it with your friends. And then come back here and see and replay this video and see what I was actually predicting yesterday, actually materialized today. Okay, so all I'm doing right now is just waiting for the actual market to hit my TP. Now, will it come all the way down to this suggested area, which is the area of interest that I'm looking at? Well, it did right here, right? Because this area is an area of demand, right? Because remember what I said, you sell an area of support, because it did retrace and come back to this area, okay? And then it retraced and came back to this area. So basically, you mark your areas of support, and you also mark your area of demand, okay? So if it does come down to these levels, profit over $63,000 based on this trade. This is paper trading. This is not a real account. This is a disclaimer. Practicing what I preach based on what I teach you guys on my channel. All right. So this trade is going in my favor, which is really nice. I mean, I could close it right now and close it out at 27,000, but I want to go ahead and just set it and forget it. I mean, I could move my stop loss so I could be in profit. Okay. So if it does retrace and go back into these levels here, I can still make a profit. Okay. But I want to go ahead and test the strategy that I've been teaching you guys as far as setting and forgetting the trade. Okay. And you just let it play out. Just let it play out. Although I am actually working with a large equity, okay, I did grow this account from $100,000 in equity to over 1.1 million in equity, which is nice to say the least. So, I'm excited that what I've taught myself through YouTube University and watching other traders, just sharing strategies sharing techniques, teaching how to read the charts and so on and so forth. I'm excited that I'm able to, grasp. Okay, and you will too. I'm excited I'm able to grasp the actual strategies and techniques. And I mean, it's going to take time to understand everything, but in the meantime, it's always good to practice, practice, practice in a demo account. So I'm not going to make this video too long. I mean, like I said, I'm just going to let it pan out to see if it'll hit my TP and if it'll hit the stop loss. Either or, it's a good trade. It's going in my direction. I mean, I could close it out right now and just make $15,000, which is where it's at right now. Okay. But I'm just going to wait and see what happens. Okay, because it could pretty much retrace all the way back in these areas. Okay, and if it does, I'll probably place another trade to, in connection with the trade I have going on right now. So time will tell. Time will tell. So I'll probably do another video to let you know if it actually hit TP or if it hit step, like that's the stop loss. Either or, everything's below the black line, which is the 50 moving average, and the green line, which I was telling you guys to put on the charts, which is the 5 moving average. Okay. So the green line crossed over the black line, came back and retraced up into the 50 moving average, and that's where you would want to look for sells. As you can see, it's retracing, 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 and now it's pulling back right here. We got 9 minutes and 10 seconds, actually 9 minutes and 5 seconds, to see where this candle closes, and then we'll just take it from there. Because right now it looks like it did a double bottom. Okay, because we could put a line right underneath and see that it's actually doing it. Actually did a double bottom right here, from here to here would be considered a double bottom. Okay, but I'm just going to let it plan out and see what happens. Okay, so with that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friends, come back, take notes, rewatch the video, because when you rewatch the video over and over and over and over and over and over, you start to put things in memory and you start to understand exactly how everything works. So with that being said, you guys have a great one. Um, so I'm going to be quiet for a little bit just to watch the trade, let you guys watch the trade as well. So let's see how this pans out. All right. Chat with you all soon. Okay, you guys probably asking, okay, so why did you choose a ratio of 1.41? All I did with regards to setting the ratios is that all I did is I looked left to see where the next level of interest is which is over here. As you can see, there's a lot of activity on this particular level of interest, and this is also a demand zone. So I wanted to go ahead and stretch that out for a 1 to 1.41. Okay, I could have stretched it out, make it a little larger, but I want to just see if it'll go back to this area of interest right here, which is also my demand zone. All right, so that's why you see a ratio of 1 to 1.41. Now I'm probably going to close out the trade because whenever you see it opens up in a dark area, it'll bounce off and go back up. So it's going to retrace from this area because this level right here was a double bottom. So let me just see. If I see any white candle develop, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the trade because I'm running out of time and I wanted to just show you guys that, you know, consistent practice brings consistent profit, if I could say that. But just gonna wait for a little bit to see if it'll go below this red line. See, there's that white I was talking about, the candle there. So I'm gonna close out the trade and have a profit of about 25,000 anywhere in that area. So let's go ahead and close out the trade and we'll go to history. Okay. And it may continue to go down, but I want to go ahead and close out the trade, not be too greedy. Sometimes you just gotta, cut the cord and say, well, I could have made 30,000 on this trade, but it's okay. Let's go ahead to the account history. I went ahead and so you can see $26,566. Make it bigger, $26,566 I made on that one particular trade right there. I went ahead and closed it out. So my account grew from 1.148 million to 1.175 million, which is not too shabby, which is an increase of $26,566. Okay. So with that being said, gang, continue to practice, continue to, you know, mark up your charts, anticipate um, your orders, okay, whether it's a buy or a sell, and execute what you learned from what I teach. So, well, I thank you so much for watching the video. This was a really good trade. I'm really happy that I was able to share it with you guys. And yeah, I mean, I could take another position right here and bring it all the way down to this area of interest, which is the demand zone. And I may do that, but I just wanted to close out the trade to show you that, hey, you don't need to be too greedy because they could have continued to climb up and go back into these areas. As you can see, it's trending lower, which it's okay. It's okay. So thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and let them know that hey, this channel is real. Okay. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye, and have a great week. Let's have a successful week next week, and come back on Saturday next week. I'll have another training for you guys. All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye.